Okay, good day guys and welcome to Streamers Academy. In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to download the courses you buy. So let's just buy a course for this demo and proceed to. So let's assume you want to buy Build 7 Useful Python Beginner Project from scratch, and I add it to the cart. So here you can either use your PayPal account or whatever, or let me just follow a normal process. So you see how everything works. So now if you have a coupon code, you can use it there, or you can also use it here. So but I'm not using any coupon code with this, or you can either pay with a debit or credit card, or any of these options for those of us outside of Nigeria. But so we proceed with the payment. So after we're taken to this payment page and the payment is completed, we will be taken to the next page where you can now see the courses we just bought. So here now we see we included in the courses, first of all you see the course, you see this is the download link for the course, these are bonus books we added to your course. These are the course itself comes as a full package, the course materials, the bonus materials, the resources and everything directly linked to the course. This is it. These bonus books are books on marketing, sales and other bonuses we added. These bonus courses are the same. These are an entirely different course on marketing, sales and some other basic courses we just added just to offer a bit of more service to our students. Now this software is the software that you use to download the course. While this is a tutorial video the one you're watching now. So let's just go down to before I go into the downloading process itself, let me show you where to find your, just in case you leave this page, you can easily find your download links in your account. So if I refresh my account page, under the download section you see the course I just bought, the speed reading and all that. So if you don't, you will always find them here, but just in case you don't find them there, you can also go back to your inbox and you find your order in your email. So but moving on, let's download the course. So the course has downloaded. So the issue there is not really an issue, sorry. The thing there is the courses are compressed in a highly compressible form, so downloading it from the website will be easy. So but to actually download the course, you first of all extract it. After you extract it, because there's a zip folder, you double click on it. So what I mean by double clicking, to download the courses you need a software called uTorrent, and this software is available on PC, is available on Android, and is available for iOS, which is the Apple users. So it helps you convert the courses and it helps you download them. So the we added a tutorial video just in case you need this software. So for example, this course, the effective learning 10 times blah blah blah, is 1.5 gig, and this is all that is contained in the course. So how to develop laser focus, advanced memory techniques and all that. So the course is fully loaded. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will not continue with this download, but let's just click OK. So you see the download that's added here, and these are all the videos in the course. Now you can either watch this course online, or you can either watch it online on the software, or you can download it to your device and all that. So moving on, so basically what you're just doing, you're downloading, you're getting this. So where the real work is now is just to get the software that will help you download the courses, which is uTorrent. Yeah, so you can see the software, guys. This is their website, so you can see the software has the Android, so you can just download it from and all that. So it has pro version. The pro version comes without the ads and all that. So okay, I think it's just, sorry, they have just for Android and they have for PC, but for iOS, let me search for uTorrent downloader. Okay, so I see one of them shows is VPN unlimited, but to be sincere, I rather you get. Okay, so I think uTorrent is still on iOS from this research, but to be honest, I just get a laptop and download it, and you can now copy it from your laptop wherever you need it to be. So we're moving on. When you download the courses, they appear on your file manager and you're good to go to learn the courses. So I think that's about that for downloading the courses. So just when you download the courses, they appear in this form. You can open your folder and you find them, then just extract it from here. So when you extract, you just download using this software called uTorrent. And that's about that. Thank you and have a great day.